going to be a side-by-side comparison of the race pipe versus the OEM one. See, this one's straight through. This one got a little turn. I don't know for what. Got a huge cat. This don't got anything. Weight difference. Wow. Yeah. So that one's way lighter than the OEM one. I'm not gonna say how much it weighs or anything like that, because can't really tell you off my hands, but it's way different. And I think, I'm not sure, but these pipes may be a little bigger. I'm not sure. Don't hold me to that. No, they're definitely bigger, yeah. Definitely. Yeah, even from the end you could tell it's way bigger. Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely way bigger. That one's, I'm guessing, way better. Let's hope and see once we get it on the bike. And just to let you guys know, this does come ported for O2 sensor, so you don't have to worry about getting it welded or anything like that. Just literally just bolt it right on. So that's coming next. And yeah.